Well, one thing about this ice storm we had, sure can be beautiful, some of it. Waiting for the sun to hit this one. I have another tree over here that it did hit. Got a little bit of snow after all the ice. Here's some right here. But as you can take a look, as I said, it could be some very beautiful stuff to see. I don't think we got quite as much ice as we were expecting, which is good. I'd say between 1/4 and 1/2 inch though, so I guess that is about what we were expecting. Some of my poor plants out here have seen better times, but they're withstanding it. This is one of my favorite ones here. Look at the way that's bent over. How awesome is that? You can see this, it almost makes it look like it's made of plastic. You can see it's just beautiful. The neighborhood looks beautiful. Of course, the horse farm across the street. And it looks like they're starting to get enough sun hitting the road. So that's pretty nice. If I need to go anywhere today, I will be doing it. I hope you enjoyed the Snowmageddon 2022.